guys, good morning. So today I'm filming kind of like a chill fall morning routine. It is currently 10:15. I've been up for a little bit, but always had to do like a little intro of fake waking up. I went to bed really late last night, probably like 2 or 3 a.m. So I decided to kind of sleep in a little and film like a chill fall morning routine. And yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm wearing a wig, as you can see. I didn't lay it down because I'm gonna do that later. But I look so pale. Anyways, so I'm just gonna take you through my morning. The first thing I always do is kind of like sit on my phone, which I already kind of did this morning when I woke up. But yeah, I like check my phone, and now I'm going to just kind of like air out my bed. Like, I don't like making my bed right away because I hate, like, I don't like the thought of it, because like you've been in your bed all night and it's like hot, and like I just kind of wanted to like air out, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I also just like opened up my window so that my room can kind of air out as well, because you know we've been in all night. I need to go change this battery. Okay, so my camera battery died, and I just spent like 50 minutes trying to find the other battery to my camera. So I can't find it. I don't know where the fuck it is. So the battery is charging right now, but I'm gonna have to continue on my vlog camera. So you might have seen a little change in quality, but I was gonna shower first, but I'm actually really hungry, so I'm going to go ahead and make my breakfast. You guys know I always eat acai bowls, so I'm going to make that once again. Yeah, I just kind of want to have my breakfast and like chill for a second, because it's a chill morning routine and I'm hungry and I'm a little tired from last night because I just went to bed so late. So let's go ahead and make breakfast. Also, let me put on some shorts before I flash my ass, because I feel like I already kind of did earlier. I'm literally so confused as to where my camera battery is. Like, I literally have no idea. I looked everywhere. I just can't find it, and I thought it'd be so fun to film this on my big camera, but apparently it's not meant to be. Anyways, let's go ahead and make breakfast. So to make my acai bowls, you first are gonna need about 150 milliliters of unsweetened almond milk. Sometimes I do a little bit more because I don't really perfectly measure it, but see, I put a little bit more now, but it's okay. So you want to get some unsweetened almond milk and pour that in. Then you want to have, just spilled it. Then you want to put in 1 frozen banana. I know that this is so bad, I'm putting it in plastic bags. I need to order those like reusable freezer bags because it's not good. But we do recycle, so it's a work in progress. But yeah, just put in 1 frozen banana. Then I put in 2 dates for like a sweetener. And I just want to blend this up. And while this blends, I usually go ahead and take out my strawberries. So I have like, I think this is, yeah, it's 400 grams. So I pick out like half of this, wash it, and like get it ready. Just start like cutting it into pieces while this blends. So then I break my frozen acai into like 6 pieces. This helps blend it like better and faster. If I can get this one. Fuck. There we go. So cool. And you're just gonna add that into the mixture. And just blend it, and while this blends, I'm gonna cut up my strawberries. So now I'm going to get a little scale and a bowl to put it in. I like to use a scale so I kind of know like how much granola and stuff I'm putting in, because I don't want to put too much, but also not too little. So, but if you can't see my head, like I can't really put my camera any higher. But now I'm going to pour in this mixture. And now we're gonna do the topping. So I always start with granola. This is just like, I think this is nuts and seeds, or like at least seeds. I really like the granola with seeds. And I turn on my scale, and I usually put around like 50 grams of granola. And then I put my strawberries on there. And I put about 10 grams of coconut flakes, or like a little less than that. On top of this, I put a tablespoon of chia seeds. So now I'm just going to watch a couple of YouTube videos while I have my breakfast. Okay, so I just finished eating breakfast, and I'm just going to close my window because it's getting kind of cold in here. Ugh. And I'm going to turn on the heat because it is fall and it's really chilly. My room is freezing right now. And I'm going to make my bed before I take a shower. I kind of just want to kind of tidy up my room and everything before I go ahead and take a shower. And then, oh my god, I'm freezing right now. And then I'm actually gonna light some candles. Even though it's like the daytime, I kind of just want to make my room cozy and like just have it really chill. Is that weird? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower now. Hope it's not too loud because my mom's still vacuuming, but I just got out the shower and now I'm just gonna like put in my contacts, do my skincare, brush my teeth, everything. If you want to see a in-depth skincare routine, I will leave it down below because I recently did one. I'm trying to think what I want to do with my hair today because obviously I have this wig on, but I didn't lay it down. I think I might wear a beanie today because I just don't really feel like doing my hair. And then I'm just going to do some like really light makeup. I did this yesterday. I kind of just did like a no makeup, mainly just because I kind of want to let my skin breathe because it's just been so bad. It's been kind of up and down. Like it'll be really good for a bit and then it'll be like super bad. So I kind of want to like have my skin be free of any like concealer and foundation and powders, and well, powders I do use, but like just no like caked on makeup. I'm going to brush my teeth. Usually while I do this I watch YouTube as well because I'm just trying to get my daily dose of YouTube in. My brows really need to be plucked, so I'm just gonna do that while I'm at it because my face is like all clean right now. I love plucking my brows so much. It's like so satisfying after I'm done. I can't really show you because I need to be closer to the mirror. Get rid of your little mustache. I never wax this. Like I always just use these little razors and it works fine. I was gonna put on a face mask, but I'm honestly kind of too lazy to do so. Like I'm not really in the mood, so I'm just gonna finish my skincare and then go ahead and get dressed. I just got dressed. I'll show you my outfit in a second, but I put on a beanie because, as I said, I didn't feel like laying down my wig, and it's cold outside anyways, so like who really cares? I don't. So this is my outfit for today. These jeans are from Monkey. My boots are Dr. Martens. My sweater I think is H&M from like 2 years ago. My beanie I got from Urban Outfitters. I think I'm just bum bag with it, just like that, and then probably a really big coat or something. I do have to go out later, but I'm now going to just put on a little bit of like minimal makeup. Don't really feel like doing a lot. I just finished doing my makeup. As you can see, it's like barely anything. I just haven't been in the mood for it, so yeah. I'm going to make myself some tea and check my schedule for today. Why did my handler just over? And then pretty much my morning is like done. But yeah, let's go ahead and make some tea. So now that I have my tea, I'm going to, I can't drink yet because it's really hot, but I'm just going to go onto my iPad and figure out what I have to do for today. Let's see. Okay, I think that is it for my chill fall morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was interesting. I don't know, I feel like my mornings really aren't that special, especially when it's like a chill morning. But I thought it'd be fun to film this because I do really like watching like routine videos, and I definitely want to do more of them. So let me know if you want to see more of these, if you want to see productive morning routine, like a really early morning routine, night routines, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.